Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday the 5th. Hope everyone had a good holiday weekend so far. Everybody is safe. Didn't blow up their fingers or got their toes. So, we got the weekend ahead. We got an interesting package. Got an interesting shape. Not sure if this is Amazon Prime unboxing. But we're about to find out what it is. And of course, you guys will get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link and see what other goodies they have to offer. And this is one of them. It has a weird feel to it, so I mean, I don't know what this is. And actually, FedEx came through and dropped this off today. So, I just can't believe it's already July. It's like, where is this year going to so fast? Alright, I'll get into it. C-section time. There we go. There we go. What is this thing? Oh my god. More. Open heart. There we go. What are you? Alright. There we go. What is this? Oh. EZVALO wireless motion sensors. These are always good to have. You could put them in your closets, your underneath the stairs, pretty much anywhere you need an extra light. And these are really convenient. These are really cool to have. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. This is the Amazon Prime unboxing, and this will be on sale during the Amazon Prime Day. And take advantage of the early bird right now they got going on. All you gotta do is click the link. If you want to get this kind, add it to your cart and check out. And they'll ship this thing fast to you. So, here we go. Oh, this is a long one. Alright, there's a battery. Oh, these are nice. We got manual screws and USB to charge it up. Bada boom, bada bing. There we go. Alright, let's take a look at the battery. Yeah, I like these. I'm gonna try to find a spot and then show you guys how it works. Standard battery plug, nice one. Yeah, this is totally different than the other ones I had. Other ones didn't have the battery, stuff like that. So this is kind of cool. Something new. So we got sticky stuff, screw, USB. We got the bracket. Oop. We got the bracket right there. And we got one of these. Oh, that's a long one. Yeah, this is definitely a good sized closet one. Or somewhere you need an extra light. Garage. Thank you. And you plug it in. Well, once you plug it in, oh, dang, look at that. That's a nice color. There's the sensor, and then get in and charge it right in here. Sorry about that. Almost poked your eye out. There's the USB. You just plug this guy in here, and then to your adapter, any power USB source you have, just plug her in, charge it up. But you can probably just take out the battery if you have this hanging already and this thing dies. Just gotta pull it out and then plug this thing in. So that's cool. You don't have to keep taking it down like the other one. So I like this design. Really nice. Good lighting. And I'll be back in a little bit to show you guys the install. But dang, look at that. Oh, it's probably dying. We saw. Oh, there it goes. Dang. This is nice. Really impressed. There's that way. There's that. So it's gonna be hanging like this. or you probably could mount it like on the side, so you could do whatever you want. Actually, like I said, it comes with the brackets, the sticky stuff. Oh, this goes first, so wherever you decide to hang it sideways like that, or you could do it like that, have it like that. So I'm gonna take a few minutes and decide where I'm gonna hang it up, and at the end it'll be up. See you in just a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the light installed. It goes on pretty fast once you hit, there it goes. So if you get a couple down your steers, you have a nice little like runway going. Easy to install. Got to do the metal bracket like that. That way installed. And then all I gotta do is just put it on like that. And boom. Pretty easy. And like I said, once it gets to, you gotta charge it. Just gotta pull the plug or the battery and put it on your USB cord. So really cool. What you call it? Wireless motion sensors. So right there, EZVALO. So really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a great holiday weekend, and see you guys soon.